So what I'm gonna be wrapping today is this Chevy Camaro ZL1. Decided to do this one. The color is very loud and in your face, and we're gonna subtly do a two-tone with the stealth camo on one half of the vehicle, and the other half will stay this color. Here's a close-up if you haven't seen this film before. It's a textured film and it's a pattern, but the pattern is created by the texture in the film. So it's not a printed vinyl. The awesome thing about this is you get this crazy effect, you get a full pattern, but you're not paying the price for a printed vinyl. And in artificial lighting, like in this garage, that's where this vinyl really stands out. In the sunlight it does, but indoor lighting, if you take your car to indoor car shows or anything else like that, underneath street lights, when you're filling up with gas at night, that's when this wrap really shines. You can kind of see how right here, this portion is dark. As you move around it, and it catches light different because the texture becomes lighter than the rest. So the whole vinyl itself shifts as you look at it, depending on how the light hits it. All right guys, so now the car is finished. Super stoked about it. Turned out awesome. And it's gonna look even better once we can actually get it out on the road. But unfortunately, we live in northern Minnesota and it is now pretty much winter.